We're mounting our e-bikes to our RV bumper. Think it'll hold?
Or are we gonna lose everything going down the road, bumper, bikes and all? Like so many other RVers, we want to use our rear bumper for storage.
But unfortunately, a lot of towable RV bumpers are not designed to hold any really substantial amount of weight of any kind. Quit ruining the shot with your helicopter ways.
But that's about to change.
Safety Struts by Mountain Lock reinforces the bumper to the frame, allowing you to hold up to 400 foot-pounds of torque. So it's turning that essentially useless bumper into one that's actually usable. And the Shake Stopper camping hitch really helps stop that shake while the bikes are rolling down the road. So we're putting this to the test. First, we're gonna install them, then we're gonna have 2 travel days going down I-95 to get to the motherland of warm weather again, and we'll see if we keep our bumper and our bikes. Let's install it.
So unfortunately, I made the huge misstep of reading the instructions. I think there's a newer model based off of the website. I'm waiting to hear back from them on if that is correct, so I can let you guys know. But this apparently is supposed to now go here, but I've already done the cotter pins, so I'm gonna have to undo the cotter pins to make it work. This is the extra piece. It goes there. I am following the instructions.
You know what following the instructions does, though?
I don't know how you're supposed to do it that way.
You're just gonna do it your own way.
Okay, that's installed.
What kind of drill bit?
They provided the drill bits.
Oh, well that's nice.
You use a larger one to start it, and then you drill through with a smaller one, and then you've got self-tapping screws.
There you go.
This is where you don't want to over tighten, which is why we're finishing with our hand.
So these can be installed either on the outside of the frame or the inside like what we did. What made you decide to install them on the inside?
Well, most of our weight's going to be here in the center, so I figured there's not a lot of force happening out here, so moving it closer gives it more leverage against it.
That's logical. Since this is our home and we're not taking any chances, we're gonna do a travel day or two just like this with the bike rack, no bikes on there, just to make sure everything looks good, everything holds up, and there's no issue. Couple travel days down, and so far so good. The Safety Struts and the no shake hitch has worked like a charm, but now it's time to add the bikes. Now we're ready to hit the road. Let's test them out. Well, that worked real well. A couple of states and a couple hundred miles later, and these puppies worked like a charm. If you need to reinforce your bumper to hold cargo as you drive down the road, Safety Struts by Mountain Lock is a perfect solution. And the Shake Stopper hitch seems to really cut down on shake as we go down the road. They're compatible with I-frame, S-frame, and tubular frames like ours, and they have a great support staff that can help you figure out which set is right for your rig. To grab them for yourself, just check the description, and happy camping.